So I'm up here at my cousin Richie's, and this is his shop. And he has a few things around here that he's working on, and a few things for sale. So this is one of them. Little trucks for sale. Looks like it means business. This would definitely be something that would be cool, going down some dirt roads with, and maybe a little bit of Baja and towing some stuff around the yard. And this thing looks like it would be a little truck that maybe have a little bit of fun with, going through the mud, just doing a little bit of fooling around, grunt work, or just having fun with her. So I like stuff like this here. Don't have to worry about the paint on this thing, that's for sure. And then he has some cars here he's working on. A couple of these vehicles are getting some makeovers and engine swaps and things like that. I think this one's getting a Coyote in it. And this belongs to our friend Fred. And he used to be one of the racers back in the day that was in all the magazines. He's over there with the hat on. And he ran the class cars back in the day. So he kind of knows what he's doing around these cars, that's for sure. He always does very clean work. And I believe this car is getting a Coyote in it. And they're cleaning that one up. And then out here they have another little Stanger that's getting some upgrades and things like that. So a lot of work. This here under the cover was a car that had a Coyote swap. It's a Fairmont. I don't want to go taking the cover off of it, but it kind of had a little bit of a problem hitting a telephone pole. And this car was mint. But I can show you a little bit of the damage here. That's what happens when you hit a pole on wet roads. And I think the gas pedal stuck. So that was one of the misfortunes that happened here. But yeah, there's a lot going on up here. And then inside we have the coupe that I showed you guys that was over Richie's house last time. That is getting the blower on it and the stroker engine. So he's in here working on that. So we'll go and take a peek at that real quick. There's my son Christopher. And there's Richie hiding over there. So anyway, here's the green coupe. up on the lift, getting some upgrades. And Richie put the K member in it. Clear K member. This is definitely going to be a nice piece when it's together. So there's a little update on the little green coupe. And hopefully we'll see this thing make some passes. And see how fast it goes. Maybe even see a street race. So that'll be interesting to see how it all plays out with that car. It takes time doing a vehicle, as you guys know, and as you can see, there's more than one here that needs to be dealt with here. And I will say the cars are in good hands around here between Fred and Richie. They know how to get things done. So anyway, I thought I'd do this little video being as I was up here. We stopped by the other garage here. I actually called Richie thinking he was home. He says, no, I'm at the shop, the other garage. So I figured I'd come up here, say hi, and check out the green car. He told me he was working on that. So now I thought I'd share it with you guys. So with that, guys, thanks for your interest in what we do. And I'll talk to you later. God bless you.